Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thank you for joining me for another video. It is going to be another unboxing video. I know that I've done quite a few of these recently. There is still more of these to come. It has gone a little bit crazy with parcels in this house. Part of it's me spoiling myself, setting myself up for next year, and there's lots of really exciting things to share with you. But what I want to do is to unbox my advent calendars. Now, I'm not going to do them all in one go. What I'm going to do is film sections, lump them together into one video, and then you'll see it, you know, maybe 4 or 5 days. Every 4 or 5 days I'll try and upload. It might be a little bit longer than that sometimes. But I am going to be showing you the calendar from Mundane Sunday, the calendar from L&B Makes, and the calendar from Puddles Co. These are the ones that I chose for this year. I didn't go for little pencil design this year. I wasn't fast enough, is the reality. I forgot about it, and then when I went to order it, it sold out. So the only advent calendar that is the same as last year is the Puddles Co advent, but I'm sure the items in it will be really different. I don't have any discount codes or anything to give to you, but I'm sure if you go on Instagram you'll be able to find some. And let's just get stuck in. So I'm going to start with this big one. Now, this was Mundane Sunday. Unfortunately, it had a bit of a battle in the post. The box was all damaged, and it's absolutely no fault of the shop owners. These things happen. I did open it just to check they were all there because the box was open when it arrived. I am missing 2 of the days, day 4 and day 14, but I contacted Sarah, the shop owner, and she has very kindly agreed to replace them for me. I'm just waiting for them to arrive, and I hope they are here by the 4th of December, but we'll just have to wait and see. If not, I'll skip that day and I'll just do it later on. I'm not going to lie to you. There is going to be some swearing on my channel now. Because I do have a mouth like a sewer, and I hide it very well, I think, on here. But it says, thank you so much for purchasing an advent from Mundane Sunday, 24 individually wrapped items, also a little extra gift to get you started. That's really cute. Keep track of all your goodies in the advent below, and then you can write down what you've got. And I'm going to put that in my planner, or maybe my December daily. That's pretty cool. I like that. So that's the first thing you get. So let's start with this extra little gift, because I'm guessing that's what this is. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the box that way, because it's still got my address on the front. So in here is an extra freebie set. It's quite a decent freebie by the looks of things. So look at that, how cute. So there's all the characters on there in like wintry, Christmassy type outfits. Oh, I absolutely love this. Brian with like baby Brian. Very cute. And then got a sticker kit. It's too fucking cold. It is too cold. I'm sorry if you watch me and you like that I don't swear, but unfortunately in this one I am just going to read off the stickers. I use a vertical planner, so this is perfect for me, and I definitely am glad I did not buy this kit in the Black Friday sale recently, because I didn't know it was in here. So you get your full boxes, you get your like functionals with your day covers. This is kind of the standard format of the kits from Mundane Sunday as well, and I really like the selection of things you get. You don't get too much in a kit, which I think is really good. And then there's the like header strips and date docs, and of course your box stickers. So let's start with number 1. I'm going to try and be careful when I open them. I would try and save all the stickers, but I think I'll be here for a lifetime if I do that. Oh, 2 sheets. So the first one is date dots, but they're all character date dots. That's really cute. Hopefully you can see those. I really like these. There's no way to describe these other than cute. Look, little Eric. I love Eric. He's still one of my faves. And then this one is more Christmassy type ones. On the way to the North Pole. Lovely. Right, really cute. Won't close the box. Must not close the box. So the second one is L&B Makes. Now L&B Makes had a few different types of advent calendars. I basically had some of her Christmas stickers last year and I loved them, and I was debating which one to buy, and I saw that she'd still had some left at the time I decided to order another. So I thought I'd go for the best sellers, because I don't really shop regularly at her shop. But you get a little postcard. That's really nice. That'll go in my December daily. And then the little doggy on the front. I'm not really a doggy kind of girl, but the back of it's very cute. And then it's nicely wrapped in some ribbon, and it is just stickers, this one, which is why they are all envelopes, and it is a 24-day calendar. So I'm just going to start with day 1, and actually those stickers came off really easily. And it's a Christmas countdown. 25 days to go, right the way down to 1 day to go, and Merry Christmas. Very cute. Some of these I might not use this year as well. It will all depend really on my like sort of plan as I go, and if I don't use them this year they'll sit in my stash until next year. And then this one is Peach Puddles Co. Peach Puddles Co. only offers one advent. I don't think I said Mundane Sunday offered a few different varieties. So there was like, I think sticker only, like non-sweary version, that sort of thing. But Peach Puddles Co. offer one advent calendar. And there's just a little thank you card in there. I like the little snow globe sticker, that's cute. So this is another one that's 24 days. And it's all in different orders. So I've just got to try and find number 1 to start me off. Right at the bottom, no doubt. I haven't even checked they're all here. I probably should, shouldn't I? But maybe I'll do that after. 10, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I love these. These are so cute. I really like the colours of the packaging as well. And again, I would try and save all the stickers, but I think I'll be here a while. Oh, they're really nice. They go quite well in my manifesting like journal. Or to like earmark my daughter's nap time or something, like very cute. I like the Peach Puddles Co. ones. I don't know about the other two because I've not had one before, but one thing I like about this calendar is that you get kind of a mix of Christmassy type bits and other things you can use throughout the year as well. I'm sure a lot of the shops do that now, but that's just one of the things that I always liked about hers. So there we go for day 1. What I'm going to do next time is not have all the boxes because it will save me shuffling it all around. But that is day 1 from Peach Puddles Co, L&B Makes and Mundane Sunday. And then there is the free sticker kit as well. So loads of stuff already. Can't wait to dig in and see more. So here we go for day 2. I can't believe it's already the 2nd of December. I feel like this month's going to fly by. Right, I'm going to start with Mundane Sunday. Maybe I won't say that word on my channel, but planner, a swear word starting with W. Brilliant. That is very cool. Super awesome 38mm badge. So it is a pin badge and it's a proper pin badge as well. I really like that. That's really made me laugh. Excellent. I'm just going to put it to one side, out of frame, and giggle to that to myself. There are certain swear words that are probably not appropriate for YouTube, and I think that's probably one of them. So the next one's Peach Puddles Co. Oh, they're really, really cool. So the next one's Peach Puddles Co. These are like candy type stickers, and they're in like a pinky, I'd say they're more of like a baby pink foil, because I know she does loads of different ones. You can probably see that because it's really quite dark at the time I get to film this. So very pretty. I like those. I can't stop looking at them. I'm just shimmering them. And then this is L&B Makes, and I love these. So these are one of the stickers that I had last year. I had the post boxes and I really like them, so I'm glad they're in this advent. I really do like her stickers, and the cut lines are perfect as well, actually looking at them. So that is day 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sneak this one back in and just cover that over. You've probably had a sneak peek of the word anyway, so I won't try and be too careful. But that is day 2. So here we go with the 3rd of December. I'm just going to get stuck in. I've got L&B Makes first. That looks like a set of functional stickers. Always useful. I don't actually use that many icons, but I know this is quite a popular look at the minute, so that's pretty cool. And then I'm going to do Peach Puddles Co next, which is, oh cute, Christmas shopping. Hallie with the little shopping bags. Oh, I really like those. I'm going Christmas shopping this week as well. I'm finally going to start that, so that's good. Good timing. And then the next one is Mundane Sunday. Now, I said I wasn't going to save the stickers, but now I'm going, oh, maybe I'll save the stickers. I don't know. We'll see how we go. Which is Plan Some Shit. Excellent. Cute. I like those. Story of my life. So 3 sets of stickers. But here we go with the 4th of December. I only have 2 of these today because I don't have number 4 for Mundane Sunday. I know Sarah the shop owner's put them in the post to me because they were missing from my parcel. So hopefully you'll see that at some point, but the post in my area is rubbish at the minute. So we're just going to get stuck into day 4, which looks like a Christmas sampler. I quite like the size of these. They're a bit bigger than your average like icon type stickers, and I like that they say like buy a Christmas tree, light a Christmas candle. That's pretty cool. They'll go quite nicely at my December daily. So there's those ones, and then this one is Puddles Co, which is, oh, there's 2 sheets in here. Oh, look at that. Purple foil saying meals, and then a little knife and fork with a little flower design on it. Super cute. I like those. Yep, so that's the 4th of December. Hopefully I'll get Mundane Sunday soon enough to be able to show you. Here we go, guys, with the 5th of December. I already know what one of these things is because sadly I saw a spoiler on one of the Facebook groups, so I'm a little bit disappointed. But it doesn't mean it's going to take away from the item. I just won't be as surprised, I suppose. I said I was only going to do about 4 or 5 days, but I think I'm just going to keep going maybe to a week, and then I'll post after that, because otherwise this video is going to be super short because it's really not taking me long to open these things. So this is one that I know what it is already. This is Puddles Co. It is a little charm slash key ring. Oh wow. It's prettier than the picture I saw as well. That's really nice. And it's got like a little shaker thing that's full of like white stars, so it looks like it's full of snowflakes. That's really cute. And a little bit festive without being really festive. Hopefully you can see that, and I'm not just waving it around. So it's got like a little moon on there as well. That's cute. I like that. Little bit disappointed with the spoiler, but we move on. So this is L&B Makes. Excellent. Post-it sticky note stickery type things. I like the colours of these as well. They're like pastel-y, and that's sort of my colour palette. I've just realised she'd like numbered the sticker sheets as well. That's cute. So you know which ones were which, just in case you cared, once you've actually put them in your stash. I said I'm not going to try and save the stickers, and I think I said in my last one, I've changed my mind. Try and save a few. And then the last one is Mundane Sunday. Again, sweary stickers in these ones. This is another fucking brilliant idea. Excellent. Love it. It's like the sarcastic version of myself, isn't it? Brilliant. So that is day 5. Something a little bit different there with a charm as well, which is quite nice. There we go. So 6th of December already. I feel like this month is flying. I don't know about all of you. I'm just going to get stuck in. I'm really eager to find out what this one is. This one's Mundane Sunday. It's not a sticker, I'm assuming, by the feeling of it. It is... oh, cute. It's a planner charm. That's really cute. It's like a little notebook. Get this open. It's like a picture of a little notebook, and it's got a clip on it as well, so you can clip other things to it as well as loop it onto something. That's really cute. Hopefully you can see that clearly enough. I can't see what you see, so I don't know, so if that's a bit bad, then I'm sorry about that, but it's really cute. I love that. That's so adorable. It's one of my favourite things so far, actually. This one's Puddles Co. I think we're back to stickers. Which is some Christmas wreaths. I really like those, they're cute. And then L&B Makes. Oh. My mood trackers. I like those. I like the happy yellow face. I need a lot more of that in my life, I think. So there we go, day 6 of the Advents. I think I'm going to do one more day, and then I'm going to stop and try and upload the video. A week already. How has a week of December gone? Just madness, absolute madness. I am also surrounded by packaging from all the unboxing I've been doing recently. I really need to clean up the craft room. Cute. Some mugs. Tea. Craft. Excellent. Fuel. That's me. That is so me. Oh, I love them. That's really cool. And then Puddles Co. I'm not really doing these in any particular order, it's just whichever one I get my hands on first. Also mugs. Oh, they're cute. Festive mugs. those ones will do me during the year and those ones will do me during Christmas. So that's really cute. Hopefully not mugs, but we'll have to wait and see. Again, swearing in this one, so sorry about that, but also not that sorry. This is binge the shit out of it. Brilliant. And then some rosy boxes. Cute. The little Netflix symbol in. I think I've got a sheet of these already. Not the boxes, just the icons. But double sticker day. Excellent. So 4 sheets today. There we go. I think that's going to be it for this week because I've already done a week's worth of unboxing, so I probably need to get the video uploaded sooner rather than later before December runs away with us and I haven't done any of it. Thanks very much for joining me. Hopefully you'll hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this and you'll come back to see me again, particularly if you want to see the rest of these advent calendars. Take care.